Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In previous video we have discussed how to create PVVG and LV and how to reduce, how to extend. Today what we will discuss is like VG0 LVS. Okay, so VGS and LVS, we are in VG0 and LV0, but customer is saying I don't want LV0 name, I want something else like according to my application, like LV backup or LV logs. So what you will do, you have to resize, you have to rename LV, rename. Okay, and what will the current LV rename VG0, current LV0, and the new name was the current name is VG0 and VG underscore we cannot. Okay, and VGS we have renamed, LVS also we have renamed. So that's how you can rename your file system, or you can rename with H. The mount point is still, so post /etc fs tab, and we'll take a cp/etc fs tab. So this is the mount point, and default 00, we can take it from here. Done. Okay, we are doing entry. Now if I reboot it, OS will not able to find this one because BLK that's where BLK ID comes in a picture. So let's see first. Init 6, I have rebooted system. Let's see it will come up or not. If you see showing starting job running dev mapper VG0 LV0, which is not able to find, and system got stuck here. That's how before rebooting, always mention using a UID number. Okay, using BLK generate a UID of that file system and mention fs tab. So this problem you will not face. Now we have to fix it. So for fixing it, let's see, in machine I have to take it in a single user mode. So again I have to make it power. Okay, it has moved further. See, it's giving give root password for maintenance. So we'll give our root password. Okay, /etc tab. So either I can hash it right now, or I